Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce me, Wulan Sulistiarli from Management Class 22A. I want to explain about inventory management. Inventory management is one part of the company. This section functions to mention and manage the company's inventory. Some of the activities carried out in inventory management are starting from how to option inventory, storing it until the inventory is utilized. Inventory here has various meanings. This can be raw materials, auxiliary materials, goods in process, finishing goods, even spare parts. Managing inventory amount is not as easy as one might think. If there is too much inventory, the cost of our stores will be high here. On the other hand, if it's not enough, it can actually hinder the production process. Not to mention that companies have to face various uncertainties, starting from uncertainty in demand, order times, to supply from suppliers. This is what makes inventory management very important. Inventory management is very important for companies. This because the functions of these activities are quite diverse. Following are the functions of inventory management. 1. Anticipate inventory shortage. This must be considered especially for companies that focus on production goods. Even though in general the supply of materials is guaranteed to arrive on schedule. Anticipatory steps are still important to take, just in case supplies arrive late and could potentially disrupt the production process. 2. Anticipation that inventory order do not match needs. Conditions such as inappropriate order may rarely occur, but it is not impossible that it could happen. Companies always have to ensure that the inventory order they receive are is needed for the production process. 3. Be careful if the supplies you need don't exist on the market. The main function of inventory management is to ensure that supplies of material are always available. This step is to anticipate if the material commonly used are not found on the market. It could be because stock is out of stock or something else. 4. Guarantee the smooth production process. Especially for companies that focus on production goods, the production process must be ensured to continue running. This is done so that we can continue to achieve profit and provide needs for consumer. Therefore, inventory management is very important to maintain inventory availability so that production can continue. Inventory management method apart. In terms for inventory management, companies generally use several methods. There are at least 5 inventory management methods commonly used by companies to manage inventory. The following is an explanation of each method. 1. Economic order quantity. Usually called the economic order quantity. This is one method of inventory management by parsing inventory according to order reserve. For example, a company gets an order. It is determined by the customer how many orders, specification, and when it must be completed. That's why the company will take various things into account. 2. Material recruitment planning, better known as the material recruitment planning method. It is method of inventory control and planning to ensure material are always available. Apart from keeping raw material available for use, this method is also useful for ensuring small amounts of inventory. Why should inventory be kept in small quantities? 3. Just time. This method has another this method has another term, namely the time method. Enable companies as much as possible to make sure they do not stock or have inventory. So the companies strive to have zero or close to zero inventory. This is because if the company position is like that, inventory costs will not be insured. But if you don't have inventory, how can you carve out production? This is the advantage of this method. The company will be trying to buy inventory only when is it needed, so the amount can be adjusted according to needs, and there will be not left then how. 4. Analysis method. In this method, inventory is classified where the basis for the classification is value and inventory. What is meant by value here is the total value of inventory, not the inventory price per unit. Each inventory item will be labeled according to its respect according to its repurchase class. This is done because each inventory item is treated differently. 5. Periodic review method. In this method, is possible to order material supplies within the same time interval. The schedule for ordering goods is regularly scheduled, so the financial manager can estimate how how much will be spent on purchasing these raw materials. This method has its own advantage. One of them is being able to reduce fluctuations in demand for raw materials. This method is also very easy to do because there is no need to go through a long administrative process. This because the inventory purchasing process is relatively scheduled. That's how, um, that's all I can. Wait, that's all I can explain. Thank you for watching and listening to me.